What is up, everyone? How you doing? So by the title of this video, you guys could already tell I'm on my way to go buy another car. And before you guys start commenting, freaking out, saying you don't need another car, you don't even drive your damn cars, finish your other cars, I get it, I know, I don't need another car. The reason why I'm buying this car is for a good reason. As you guys know, I've basically spent all of my money on trying to get my S13 together for the drift season so I could participate and have fun and do that. And now it's time to recuperate some funds so we can get some work done at the shop and do things. So I thought about the next thing that most car guys do when they need money, and that's buying and flipping a car. So car's in the trailer, we're heading back now. I'm pumped. So the car is not perfect, but it looks as clean as it did in the photos, which is surprising because usually when you buy a car, it's usually way crappier than in the pictures. So far so good. So let's get back to the shop, show it off, talk about it, and go from there. Yeah. What do you think?
I think I'll probably make a dumb decision and buy this for myself. It's a nice piece.
What do you think, Drew Tube?
I didn't even see it over until I looked up, like right there. Fire, it's dumb clean. What?
Nice, there it is, 4-door white M3, E36.
It's a nice car, dude.
I was just trying to buy it.
You ain't got enough.
Not bad, right?
It's a nice car.
Nice car.
Definitely a nice car.
What do you think, B? I mean, first glance. We got a lot.
First glance, the exterior is really nice, which is good news. Front seats, the obvious gross.
The Vaders always get gross.
Gray, dove gray Vaders. We already knew. Really nice though. Yeah, really nice.
And so there's a bunch of parts in the trunk that I have to go through, and I'm excited for. So first one off the rip, ARP headsets. I was about to order those last night. They're $200, so that's a huge score.
Hey.
We'll go through it later. So I'm actually gonna help my buddy Brandon do a clutch in his car today, real quick. Well, I'm so excited to dig into that car, but we'll do it in like 2 hours. See you guys then.
A few moments later.
All right, 4.5 hours later, 240 clutch is done. Did alignment, it's all ready. We're all set. Now it's officially time that we could play and dig into E36. I've been dying to do this all day because we literally jumped right into the 240 as soon as I unloaded this thing, but boom, there it is. All right, so I haven't said much so far. So starting off, it is a 97 white sedan E36 M3. See, M3 is the big one. This one doesn't just have an M3 badge on it. It really is, out of breath, an M3. Got this car for extremely cheap price, which is amazing, which means we have a lot of room to make this thing great. And the price of these cars are pretty ridiculous these days. But there's two big downfalls to the car. One, it's automatic. Two, the head was off the car because it needed a head gasket and it was sitting for a while. So the block might need some machine work. So let's check out the big issue besides that thing. As you can see, there's no head on this engine, and it's been sitting exposed for probably about 6 months now. It's been a lot of rust buildup on the block. So I'm gonna have one of my good friends who's an engine builder come down and check it out and see how bad it is, if it's something we can kind of just scuff up in the car and throw a head on, or if it's something that needs machine work. Let's dig in the trunk and see what parts the car came with, because I kind of don't know.
This is ridiculous.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff shoved in here. So first thing, ARP head studs, brand new in the box, just sick. I was literally gonna order these last night.
Hopefully it's not like missing one.
They look used.
They've definitely been installed.
Oh, that's a little upsetting.
So,
depending on who you ask.
Well, these are totally reusable, but if you've bought them and installed them and you know how you did it.
Yeah, exactly. So here we have a, what is this, Vano seal? That was a Vano seal, right?
Upper timing cover.
Yeah, okay, so we have a gasket.
Maybe.
We have a valve, gasket kit. That's, okay, so we have a gasket kit that's open. Let's,
excellent.
Let's try and find
gasket,
it.
Chilling. Looks fucked up there.
Yeah, that sucks. Okay.
This is worth some money.
Yeah, okay. Here we go. This isn't really worth anything.
Is that a
S52.
S52? Yeah. So nobody wants that.
Nobody wants that. This is no good.
This maybe we should be careful with.
Okay, so the real question is. Oh yeah. No, this is a very.
No.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So.
Hold on. Show the. Ooh.
Man, that sucks. It's fucked up all around it. No matter where I show you.
All right. Well, rip to that cam.
What can we make out of this? You guys, Patreon, you want to win something? Tell me what to make out of this. And you might be able to win it.
Okay, what is this? Screw thread insert. Time cert.
That's
Scary.
yeah, that's not a good sign. Sheesh. All right.
Okay, first off, not good. So
Maybe the head. We should look at the block.
someone tried installing time certs into the block. Okay, maybe this block does need a new machine. Okay, just for a fair note, I bought this car as if I was buying it as a shell, mentally. You know what I mean? So in my head, this block and this trans are no good. Still, fire deal. There we go. Ooh, valve cover with some water in it. Great thing. One last thing we gotta get. Right here, M oil cap, still has it. Surprised.
That's a come up, to be honest.
That's a come, yeah.
On math. Probably gonna need that.
Probably gonna not use that.
Oh, ECU everything, Jimmy?
Stand, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Cooling panel thing.
Not broken.
Not broken. Yeah. What is this?
Oh, dude, try it on.
Just.
That is gonna. Don't do that. Come on.
How do I look?
You look like a freaking hobo. Get it off.
Give it to Dudley. More blankets for Dudley. Oh my God! What else do we have in here? Okay, this is like a quarter of an S52 right here. Oh, there's all the cam plates.
That's a water pump pulley.
That's a guide.
A tensioner.
All right, someone took this apart and said, you know what? Maybe I don't want to put it back together. That's how this was. Oh my God! Look at this, dude. What do you think, B? Good coil packs.
I mean, the more coil packs we got,
the better.
Oh, sick. We got one left. Now we know where that one Tommy bolt goes.
Oh, there's all the caps. Yes, you didn't lose the caps. So the head that is now sitting right here might actually be good. So he told me that this
looks clean, but
okay. So he told me it was a fully built head with like all new valve springs, like aftermarket valve springs retainers. These look pretty stock as far as I could tell. So let's pull it out and further inspect it. But I really hope this head is good because it'd be really cool not to buy another one. Brand new timing guide. I'm happy.
Yeah, no, save you some money. How much is that? Look it up, guys.
It's a Bilstein one, too.
$28.
Yeah,
it's a Febby.
Probably pretty cheap. What else we got here? Oh. Timing chain tensioner, brand new in the box. That's good. That's some monies. We'll use that. Two very precious pieces of cargo, nicely thrown in here. Oh, smart. These are magnet bars. I see him for doing this. So if these weren't here, the buckets would just drop from these retainers, and these are strips of magnets that the kid put in there. So I see you for that. That's not a bad idea. I will save those and use those in the future.
That's a good idea.
That's actually a good idea. Yeah, see? Look at this. Someone was using their brain for a second.
Look at this.
So what makes me worried is how those cams looked.
ECS water pump pulley or something.
ECS water pump pulley or something. Good job, B. Oh my God.
How's that cam look?
Probably not much better. Oh, much better. Yeah, this one looks usable. Thanos or Thanos.
If you're an Avenger. I haven't seen any of those movies.
Don't spoil it, guys. Come on. Yo, B Hall. This is a B Hall special. Got the heat tape on it.
This is probably.
I don't know what this is, but we're not gonna use it.
You probably will.
Fuck off. Okay. Well, this is the part where we. Okay. Oh, maybe it is fresh. Oh, nope.
No, somebody definitely just decked his head.
Yeah.
Yeah, there wouldn't be all this Dykem on here. I mean,
What'd you call it?
it's metal dye.
They call it Dykem.
Yeah. So yeah, you could tell that there's new valve seals and shit in here, but I couldn't tell you if these valve springs look stock. You could put this on that bottom end like tomorrow and have
then just throw it right into that.
In here. So as you guys know, we had a little iffy problem with the cylinder 5 piston, which would give us 0 issues ever if it was on an NA engine. So I'm not worried about it. So you can just kind of, we'll see what JP thinks about this head. Yep, this is for this. What are these? Oh, procedures. Well, he tried. Do we need this? No, we have Derek. Oh, more gaskets. Hey, I see you. Nice. It seemed like he like really tried for like half the time, and the other half he said, "Fuck it." All right. Besides that, we have our injectors. If anyone needs stock S52 injectors, I have some. Let me know. I'll hook you up. Metal water pump housing, which is good. We can reuse that. Just vapor blast it. Coil pack harness. And besides that, I think that's all we got. That's all we got for goodies right there. So we have enough pieces to somewhat put together an S52. Yeah, B, what do you think?
I think we got a lot here, and I think we could probably put something together.
Yeah, honestly, there's more than I thought. So, like I said before, I kind of bought this thinking I'm just buying a shell. So we're gonna treat it as such. But besides that, I mean, car's gorgeous. It has somewhere between 130 to 140,000 miles on it. I have to put a battery to it to find out, but looks like this thing's got a pretty bitchin' cat back on it. So that might be something I will rob for my E36 because I'm pretty sure sedan exhausts fit coupes. Guess we'll find out pretty quick. Hell yeah. But as you guys know, we still have plenty of submail piling up, and we got to do a little a day. Sound good?
Yeah, sounds good.
What do we got? What do we got?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's just a shitload of lighters.
Drew would be so hyped.
Well,
thank you guys. I needed this for all my heat shrink.
Yeah,
yep,
Jimmy's gonna go through a ton of them just for the heat shrink. Next submail.
That's
I don't know who that
amazing.
was from. It's just an online seller or something.
That's amazing.
That's hilarious. All right.
You guys are the shit. All right, I could already see the address where this one came from, and it's our homie down in Maryland. This is from the Steel Drum Smokers Barbecue House. He actually hooked us up with pulled pork when we were in Maryland, and that was sick. And I think he sent us a flag. Hell yeah! Come on, guys.
I actually have one of those in my toolbox.
It was like the tastiest shit I've ever had in my life. Okay. What's up, guys? Hopefully you can and will add this to others in your shop. It's the flag I flew on my Passat in Ocean City this past April.
Oh my god, that's sick.
That's so sick.
That's cool as hell.
That is so cool. Really great meeting you guys again. Can't wait to see you all back in Ocean City or sooner this year. The barbecue guy from Steel Drum Smokes Barbecue. I remember this flag.
It's just a barbecue flag. That
Just a
so
barbecue
badass.
flag. That is amazing. This thing has such a cool story behind it.
That's sick.
Badass.
Little taste of Ocean City.
Right there, I can smell
Back at home.
it. That's cool. Next time, we're expecting some pork.
I wonder what this one is. This one's from the online seller. USB to serial
I bought this for
cable.
myself.
We gotta do one more.
Okay.
Yes! Good old US of A. That's holding it the right way. Woo!
You gotta hang this one up somewhere good. What do you think?
I know that's the flag of flags right there, boy.
I don't know.
That's awesome. Thank you very much.
This one?
Check. There it is.
Yep.
How's it going, Jimmy? Saw you were getting a bunch of flags, but noticed you hadn't got the most important flag of all yet. So I figured I'd send one your way. And by the way, remember to subscribe to PewDiePie. All right.
Oh my god, that's amazing. Was there a name on that?
No name.
Mystery subscriber. Thank you so much. Hell yeah, brother. Hi, Jimmy. Enjoy your gift from Jason Forte. We got stuff from Jason before. Oh, what do we got? What do we got?
Oh my god.
No way. Dude, they keep doing you good over here. Did you see what they said?
Yes, I see that.
That is...
Thanks.
Oh my god. Brian. Jason, thank you for thinking of us in this allergy season.
Yeah, it is. It is.
So, thank you, Jason. Save the rest for tomorrow, but You guys are the greatest subscribers ever. Such a blast every week, and you always send us the coolest stuff. So if you guys want to partake in the sub mail stuff, address is always below. Send whatever you want. Send something for B, send something for Drew, send something for Tucker.
Send us a flag if you want, or something else. But we'll open it. And we'll have fun.
Alright guys, so I was hoping to do a little bit more today, but we had a lot to do on my buddy's S13 to get that thing ready to drift for next weekend, so it's whatever. We got the car, we went through it a little bit, and we talked about it. Typical stuff. So, but I'm really stoked about this whole thing. I think it's a great way to help get some funds for the E36 and just keep the ball rolling. So with that, I think I'm going to end it. Today was a long day for me, so you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you tomorrow.